Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will discuss about the origin of Rajasthan, a topic from Rajasthan Geography RS Pre. So to know about the origin of Rajasthan, first we have to look into the ancient supercontinent and ancient superocean. The ancient supercontinent, which is Pangaea, is divided into two parts, northern part and southern part. In northern part we have Angara land, in southern part we have Gondwana land. In between there is Tethys Sea. So the formation of Rajasthan depends on both the Gondwana land and Tethys Sea. In Gondwana land we have Hadoti region and Aravalli hills, which is the part of peninsular plateau, and in Tethys Sea we have desert and plains, which is part of Great Northern. Now comes location and extension of Rajasthan. The location of Rajasthan can be identified on the globe through the longitudinal degrees and latitudinal degrees. And the extension of Rajasthan depends on three factors: area of Rajasthan, shape of Rajasthan, and boundaries of Rajasthan. Now in detail we will explain about the location and extension of Rajasthan. So the latitudinal degree, it is the located on northwest of India. The Rajasthan is located on the northwest of India. The latitudinal location is 23 degree 3 north latitude, place Burkhunda, district बांसवाड़ा में, and 30 degree 12 north latitude, पूना विलेज, सूरी गंगानगर में. The Tropic of Cancer in Rajasthan passes through Banswara and Dungarpur, the southernmost tip. The longest day is 21 June, also known as Summer Solstice Day, and it is also celebrated as International Yoga Day since 2015. Now we comes on longitude locations. Locations: 69 degree 30 Katra village, district Jaisalmer; 78 degree 17 Selena village, district Dholpur. The longitudinal line is also known as date and time line. Now we will discuss the north to south extension. The north to south extension is 226 km and east to west extension is 869 km. Now there is a map of Rajasthan. You will see here the middle village of Rajasthan. The middle village of Rajasthan is Gaigran, which is in Nagaur district. Here is the list of largest district of Rajasthan and smallest district of Rajasthan. Largest district of Rajasthan are Jaisalmer, Bikaner, Barmer, Jodhpur, and smallest districts of Rajasthan are Dholpur, Dausa, Dungarpur, and Pratapgarh. Then, what is the shape of Rajasthan? According to T.H. Handley, the shape of Rajasthan is rhombus and also a kite shape. The area of Rajasthan in kilometer is 342,239 kilometer. In miles, 132,139 square kilometer miles, or 10.4% of India's total area. This is the area of Rajasthan in three different ways. Now we will come on the boundaries. The Rajasthan state boundary is divided into two parts: the international boundary and the interstate boundary. The Rajasthan shares one international boundary with Pakistan. That boundary name is Red Cliff, which starts from Hindwal Court in Sri Ganganagar and ends at Saharagar. Now the interstate boundaries. Rajasthan share interstate boundary with 5 states, which is Madhya Pradesh, Haryana, Gujarat, Uttar Pradesh, and Punjab. Now there are important note on the landlocked districts of Rajasthan. There are 8 landlocked districts of Rajasthan, which are as follows: Jodhpur, Bundi, Tonk, Rajsamand, Ajmer, Pali, Nagaur, Dausa. Pali, it forms the boundary with maximum districts with 8 districts, and Nagaur forms boundary with 4 headquarters, which are as follows: Ajmer, Jodhpur, Jaipur, Bikaner. And second important note is the 2 dismantled districts of Rajasthan. First is Chittor and second is Ajmer. Then we come on the leftover things that we have to take in mind, the important notes, or you can say the facts that we should know about the Rajasthan geography. Rathi, less than 25 centimeter rainfall area is known as Rathi. The breed of cow in this region is also called as Rathi. Thali, the upland part of the desert known as Thali. Maru, western region of Rajasthan is called Maru region. Beed, grasslands areas is known as Beed. Wagad, southern part of the Rajasthan is called Wagad. Marwar, western part of Rajasthan is called Marwar. Jungle, mostly Bikaner and northern part of Jodhpur known as Jungle. Kuru Pradesh, northern part of Alwar district is called Kuru Pradesh. Now we have list of Asian names of districts. Sirhoi, it was first called as Chandravati. Barmer का Asian name है Malani. Jaisalmer Asian name is Mant. Alwar and Bharatpur Asian name is Mewat. Kathal is Pratapgarh. Bundi and Kota is Hayagya region. Thank you. Soon we will come with next topic.